Hi, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to introduce you to one of our latest tools, the FCT-100 fiber optic connector insertion and extraction tool. The FCT-100 is used to insert and remove small form factor connectors in fiber optic patch panels used in fiber to the home, outside plant, and other fiber optic applications. Like most Jonard tool products, the FCT-100 is covered by our made-for-life lifetime warranty and can be purchased through one of our distributors located on our website www.jonard.com. The FCT-100 has a 3.5-inch long jaw, making it easy to reach into deep and crowded patch panels without disturbing adjacent cables. Simple to use. Insert the connector, place the connector in the jaws of the tool, properly align the connector, insert the connector into the patch panel and push. When working with LC connectors, place the short jaw in front of the lock, insert the connector into the patch panel and push until you hear a click sound. To remove a connector, open the jaws by squeezing the handles together, place the jaws over the connector, slowly releasing the handles, and pull. Follow the same procedure for LC connectors, being sure to place the tool's bent jaw over the lock so the lock is compressed to release the connector. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Hit the subscribe button to hear about the latest innovations from Jonard Tools.